Hello world, I got my Buckeye glasses on, which means it's travel day. I'm about, I'm about 40 miles from the hotel, and I just stayed 4 days in Boston, Foston, Minnesota, at that little park with everything in it that I needed for $5 a night. So I'm headed to the hotel, gonna see where that is, and then I thought I would find out the location of where I need to be in orientation tomorrow morning at about 10:30. And then I thought I'd go get a few groceries because I called ahead at the hotel and they do have a microwave and a refrigerator. How exciting is that? You don't even know. So then, I've already done my laundry. I just did my laundry this morning before I left. So it all fits in a duffel bag, at least the most used clothes. And then I'm going to check into the hotel and figure out what out of this car I need to take into the room for the next 3 months. I don't have to do it all today because I do have to go to orientation tomorrow, but I don't have to start work until the 31st, so that'll be cool. So after I check into the room, I'll take a video of the room, and you'll see that after this. And then I'm going to turn on the TV and see what I see. See if there's any news that could... Motel. Yay! I made it! I was going to give you a little tour, and then I'm going to go get something to eat to stock that refrigerator. I'll give you a little tour of where I'm going to be for the next 3 months. All right? And it's that lived-in look already. So there's a little desk here. And the bed I've already checked out. It's very comfortable. Good pillows. All 6 of them I'll be using. I kind of checked out the other bed. And, well, let's see here. I'm binge watching Housewives of Beverly Hills because I haven't seen it in several years. And I went to the grocery and I got some bread and some chips and some syrup and cereal, cookies, junk food, bananas. I brought my coffee, of course. Coffee stuff. Refrigerator. I just got a few things to tide me over for a day or two. But I got some pancakes and some burritos and some Colby and Monterey Jack pieces, little chunks, and some romaine lettuce, tomatoes, avocado, Reese's, gotta have that, pudding, which I've never eaten until I started on the road. Totally bad for you, although it says real milk. And some lunch meat, some butter, and some mayo. So that's all for now, really. Let's see here. Got my coats hung up. This is just my bathroom stuff. And my salad plate, I already washed it. And we got the bathroom here. New floor, it looks like. Even the carpet looks pretty new. So, and a nice bathtub and shower. Yeah. Very good. And of course, the full length mirror, which I'm not going to show you me. I'm in my sweats. Yeah. So yeah, here it is. I'm all cozied in. So wish me luck at orientation in the morning. Talk to you soon. This is Zoe. Thank you for coming along, you guys. Good morning, world. So I'm back from orientation. Basically, they took about an hour, did paperwork, take a photo, and a urine test, and that was it. So easy peasy. The start date is Tuesday, so that'll be training for 2 weeks, and then off to my 1:30 to 10 shift. So stay tuned. They have a pool here, indoor pool, and a jacuzzi. So I'm probably going to check that out at some point this long weekend. I hope you guys have a good Memorial weekend. But that's about it. That's all I have to report. I'm excited. I am. So I'll talk to you soon. Everybody take care. Thanks for following. And thank you for your likes. I appreciate it. Bye for now.